Okay, so we have a Mayor air fryer from Ate Jess, April, and Yilin. This is their gift for us in our civil wedding. It's air fryer MMAF89. So this is up to 80% less fat. And what else? Yes, capacity is 1.5. Okay, go ahead. So what you have is this. What is this? Instruction manual. And oh, so cute. Yeah. Wow, it's so cute. The color is so nice. It's a purple color. This is our first time to have a air fryer at home. So we're going to try and cook chicken nugget first. Careful. Yeah. So there you go. So this is the minutes there until 200 Celsius only, 18 to 25 minutes. Okay. Yep. So that's it. How to open, Daddy? I think you need to open first to show them how it looks like. This is only a small air fryer. Only 1.5. Ah, okay. Yep. So we're going to try the chicken nuggets now.